Children all over the world adore superheroes. Let's find out what extra abilities they have and how they help people. Tom has his favorite superheroes too, and today he will describe them. Today is a special day. Tom and his parents have decided to go to the cinema. The morning has come, and they are all looking forward to visiting the cinema. Tom is happy. Mum and Dad saw a billboard showing a handsome man in a blue suit and a red cape. Oh, what a nice poster. Who is that man? That's Superman. See the letter S on his suit? Dad, look, he's flying in the sky, high above the city. Great. Of course. We all know that Superman is a superhero. Why is Superman a superhero? How is he different from an ordinary person? First, he has superpowers that allow him to fly and see through walls. Secondly, he rescues the helpless. Let's go to the cinema to watch the movie, The Man of Steel, and see how Superman helped people in trouble. First, let's learn some new words that will help us. Special powers. Wonders. Heat vision. Move. Lift. Invisible. Rescue. Helpless. Now let's find out how they use these words in their speech. Tom is going to the cinema. Who's that? Let's get closer. Oh, he's an artist. Hello, I'm an artist and draw comics. Today I have decided to draw Superman, my favorite superhero. Will you help me? Of course, with pleasure. First, you need to describe the appearance and character of a superhero, and then I can begin to draw it. Try to describe Superman. Tell me what he looks like. He's a handsome young man. He wears a blue suit and a red cape. Superman is tall and strong. He lifts heavy things and defeats villains. His super abilities help him save people. Superman can fly high above the city and see through walls. Look, here's my drawing. Do you think it looks like Superman? Great, I really like it. It's a gift for you. Enjoy the film. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. We hope Tom enjoys the film. And now, let's try to describe some superheroes.